Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Medeli DD638DX digital drum kit and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this drum kit is not responding or not working or not making the right sounds or anything like that, you're trying to get it to fixed, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set up your presets and your configurations and everything again because it will all be wiped off of here if you do this. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this kit or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason, you got a whole bunch of presets and configurations you're trying to clear out, and you just want to get a fresh start, we can do that pretty easily here. All we're going to do is we're going to come over to the little control panel here, make sure it's on. We're going to go down, we're going to press the kit button, and then we're going to come up and hit the menu button. And then once we do that, we're going to use the F1 and the F2 to toggle through our options, and we're going to toggle towards the factory reset. Once we get factory reset highlighted on here, we'll hit the F3 button to confirm it. And then it's going to give us some options of what to reset. We're going to toggle down to all reset. And then again, so we're going to use F1, F2 to toggle down to all reset and then hit F3 to select it. Once you do that, then it's going to just ask you to confirm it. So you can hit the exit if you change your mind at this point. But if you're ready to just go ahead and do that reset, just hit that F3 and it will reset everything. And then you can go ahead and set this up as a brand new drum kit.